To begin building your pool, choose flat, even ground. Remove sod. Tamp the ground. If an area isn't even, dig dirt out instead of adding more. Add crushed stone for the base. Break the crushed stone. Level the crushed stone. Tamp the crushed stone. Double check that the base is level. Putting a carpenter's level on a long, flat plank can get the job done. Arrange the feet and bottom rails along the outer edge of the pool area. Make sure you know the exact center of your area. Mark the location of the feet and sink patio stones into the base. Sinking stones prevents erosion. Check the height of the stones using a transit. Make sure the stones are all level and sturdy. Put a layer of sand inside the pool area. Remove one section of the bottom rail to do this. You'll want about 2 inches of sand. Unroll the pool walls and carefully lower them into the bottom rails. The walls may move slightly out of shape as you unroll them, so check the rails as you work. Extra hands are helpful here. Install the leg and create a base with the sand. Add more sand if needed. And check that the inside of the pool is level. If you have a pattern liner, it can show mistakes. Using sand, make a cove around the base of the pool. Put the liner in the pool and drape it over the sides. You can hook up a shop vac to the skimmer opening and remove wrinkles. Start filling the pool with water. Make sure somebody is watching this step. Install the top plates and the top rails. Make sure the pump and the filter work. Add the top caps. Set up extra equipment. Give yourself a pat on the back and enjoy your pool.